Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the brain teasers of profit, loss and discount. Now coming to the fourth question, how much percent above the cost price? How much percent above the cost price should a shopkeeper mark his goods so that after allowing a discount of 20% on the mark price, he gains 12%. So कॉस्ट प्राइस से कितना परसेंट वो ज्यादा एमपी कितना रखने का है, सो दैट 20% डिस्काउंट देकर भी उसको 12% प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. सो एक साइड में एमपी डिस्काउंट परसेंट एसपी, दूसरे साइड में सीपी एसपी एंड प्रॉफिट परसेंट. ठीक है, ये हमेशा याद रखने का. सो फर्स्ट द सीपी अबाउ द सीपी, सीपी हमें फाइंड आउट करने का है, लेकिन इधर आप लोगों को कुछ नहीं दिया है, सिर्फ डिस्काउंट परसेंट और गेन परसेंट दिया है. सो 20% ऑन द मार्क्ड प्राइस दिया है. सो लेट द एमपी, you know the connection between MP discount percent is a and CP profit percent, it is SP. So find out SP. So let MP be rupees X. Discount percent, how much they have given? 20%. Find out SP. Formula is MP into 100 minus discount percent upon 100. So it is a X into 100 minus 20 upon 100, X into 80 upon 100, 0 0 cut, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So you got SP is equal to rupees 4 into X, 4X upon 5. Now here they have given the gain percent. It is a profit percent is equal to 12%. Now you got SP, that is rupees 4X upon 5. Can you find out CP? Is equal to SP into, remember the formula, 100 upon 100 plus profit percent, isn't it? So SP is 4X upon 5, 100 upon 100 plus profit percent is 12, that is 4X upon 5, 100 upon 112. Now 4 1s are 4, 2s are 8, 9 10 11, 3 remains, 3 and 2 32, 4 8s are 32. Now in the 4 7s are 28, 4 25s are 100, 5 1s are 5 5s are 25. So you got 5 into X, don't forget this X, 5 into X, 5X upon 7. So this is a CP. SP is 4X by 5 and CP is 5X by 7. 4X by 5, 5X by 7. Now how much above the cost price? So find out the difference between how much he has to mark, they have told, isn't it? So difference between MP and CP. MP is x, CP is 5x by 7. So MP is greater. So that means how much it will be? MP minus CP, that is rupees x minus 5x upon 7. So 7 is the LCM. So it will be 7x minus 5x. It became 2x upon 7. This is the difference. Now percent above the cost price. So percent of difference. Percent of difference. How you will find out? The difference upon above CP. Denominator you have to put CP into 100. CP से कितना ज़्यादा, तो CP के ऊपर आपको फाइंड आउट करने का. So difference is 2x upon 7 and CP is 5x upon 7. Remember, this line should be bigger, into 100. So you know it is 2x upon 7 into 7 upon 5x into 100. Understanding? X get cancelled, 7 get cancelled, 5 ones are, 5 20s are. So you got 2 into 20, 40%. So answer he has to mark 40% above the cost price. So mark price should be 40% above the CP, so that he will make 12% profit. Lengthy sum, isn't it? So first, how much he has to mark his goods. So they have told, isn't it? So MP is X, discount percent 20% दिया है, तो SP फाइंड आउट करो. प्रॉफिट परसेंट 12% दिया है, तो SP को लेकर CP फाइंड आउट करो. अभी MP और CP के डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करने का है, क्योंकि हाउ मच परसेंट अबाउ द कॉस्ट प्राइस शुड अ शॉपकीपर मार्क हिज गुड्स. मार्क मतलब मार्क्ड प्राइस, CP कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो डिफरेंस बिटवीन MP एंड CP. MP बड़ा है तो फाइंड आउट करो. सो परसेंट निकालने के लिए डिफरेंस अपॉन CP इंटू 100. Okay, that was question number 4. Now coming to question number 5. Rohit marks his goods at a 40% above the cost price, but allows a discount of 5% for the cash payment to his customers. What actual profit does he make if he receives 1064 after allowing the discount? He marks his goods at 40% above the cost price. His cost price we have to take it as X. Then according to that find out MP. Okay, समझ में आ गए? So 40% above the cost price. marks means marked price, MP will be 40% above the CP. So let the CP be rupees X. So MP will be how much? CP plus, it is X plus 40% of X. अभी ये आदत पड़ा होगा है ना कैसे करने का है. X plus 40% of X. So it will be X plus 40 upon 100 into X. 0 0 cut, 2 2s are 2 5s are. So you got X plus 2x upon 5. 5 LCM लेंगे तो ये 5x बनेगा plus 2x. You got 7x upon 5. This is what? MP. CP is X, MP is 7x upon 5. Now he allows a discount of 5%. So discount percent is given as 5%. तो ही प्रॉफिट, तो इस तरफ प्रॉफिट आएगा, isn't it? But SP दिया है. If he receives 1064 after allowing discount, means SP already it is given as 1064. लेकिन according to this, what is the SP? That we have to find out. SP is equal to MP into 100 minus discount percent upon 100. MP is 7x upon 5. 100 minus 5 upon 100. It is 7x upon 5 into 100 minus 5, 95 upon 100. 5 ones are 5, 4 remains 19. Okay, so SP is equal to 19 sevens are 7 nines are 63, 7 ones are 7, 8 9 10 11 12 13. So 133x upon 100. Please remember this X, always there is X. All these you are finding it in terms of X. Then find out X, okay, value of X. So they have told the SP what actually profit does he make. हमें profit find out करने का है, लेकिन according to this SP is 133x upon 100. But क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी बोले हैं SP is 1064. So according to this SP is 133x upon 100. But according to question it is 1064. So X is equal to 1064 into 100 upon 133. Now directly check 133. 3 एंडिंग 4 कौन सा टेबल में आएगा? 8. तो चेक. सो इट विल बी 133 into 8. 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 25, 26, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10. So that means 1s are 8s are, so you got rupees 800. So X means what? It is CP. So you got CP, that is X is equal to 800. Profit is how much? 1064. So SP is 1064, CP is 800. That means profit. What is the actual profit? Only profit. SP minus CP. 1064 minus 800. 4 minus 0, 4. 6. 10 minus 8 is 2. So answer, Rohit makes a profit of rupees 264. समझ में आया ना? He marks his goods 40% above the cost price. So let the cost price be X, CP. MP is equal to X plus 40% of X. So you got MP. डिस्काउंट परसेंट 5% दिया है, इसके हिसाब से SP कितना है? लेकिन SP ऑलरेडी दिया है 1064. तो फाइंड आउट X, दैट इज CP. सो SP 1064, CP 800. सो कितना प्रॉफिट? So that was the question number 5. Now coming to the question number 6. Mr. Kumar went for a shopping with his family to a mall. Mrs. Kumar bought a sari for rupees 12,500, clothes for kids for rupees 9,280, and shirts for Mr. Kumar for 10,445. If the GST charged on the purchase is 12%, then what is the total amount? So this is in general, isn't it? तो कोई भी आप लोग शॉपिंग करोगे तो क्या करते हो? So सबसे पहले सबको ऐड करने का है. So first क्या होगा? Cost of the saree rupees 12,500. Cost of clothes rupees 9,280. Cost of shirts rupees 10,445. GST charged. तो पहले टोटल कॉस्ट फाइंड आउट करो. $12,500 plus 9,280 plus 10,445. सबको ऐड करो. 5, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 plus 4, 5, 10, 12, 1, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3. Total cost is 32,225. Now GST percent is 12%. Find out the GST amount. GST amount क्या होगा? 12% ऑफ टोटल है ना. टोटल कॉस्ट के ऊपर फाइंड आउट करो. 12/100, 32,225. तो 100, 5, 5 2s 5, 6 30, 2, 5 4s 20, 2, 5 4s 20, 2 remains, 5 5s 25. 5 fours are 20, 5 ones are 5, 1 remains, 5 twos are 10, 4 remains, 8s are 40, 4 remains, 9, 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. So you got 3 nines are 27, 3 eights are 24, 25, 26, 3 twos are 6, 7, 8, 3 ones are 3. This is GST amount. So total amount paid. It is total cost plus cost is 32,225 plus GST amount. 5 plus 7, 12, 1, 7, 8, 9, 8 plus 2, 10, 1, 4, 5, 6. There is a 36,092. Mr. Kumar paid a total amount of rupees 36,092. This was easy, isn't it? Hope you are confident. Bye. Thank you. We have completed the lesson. Hope you are confident with all the topics regarding this lesson. Remember, MP, SP, discount percent on one side, CP, SP, profit percent or loss percent on the other side. The connecting between the two is SP. That you have to remember. Bye. Thank you. All the best.